am Ankita. I am 11 years old. I am studying in 5th standard. My father name is Manohar. My surname is Khotre. My full name is Ankita Manohar Khotre. My mother name is Surekha. My brother name is Kumar. My sister name is Ravina. My grandfather name is Suresh. My grandmother name is Mirabai. My address is at Hildi, Poster Road, Taluka Trimbakeshwar, Jilla, District Nasik, pin code 4220203. My school name is Jilla Parishad Primary School, Hildi, Cluster Talwade, Block Trimbakeshwar, District Nasik. Our headmaster name is Vijay Revanta Bhadane. There are 3 teachers in our school. Our school is from 1st standard to 5th standard. There are 46 boys and 40 girls in our school. Total strength of our school is 86. Our class teacher name is Om Prakash Madhavra Kupulwad. There are 14 boys and 9 girls in my class. My friend name is Ashwini. My hobby is dancing. My favorite sport is Kho-Kho. My favorite player is Ashwini. My favorite color is green. My favorite dish is chicken. My favorite fruit is mango. My favorite pet animal is cat. My favorite wild animal is tiger. My favorite bird is peacock. My favorite flower is rose. My favorite vegetable is cabbage. My favorite country is Switzerland. My favorite leader is Mr. Narendra Modi ji. My favorite movie is Kantara 2. My favorite actor is Rishabh Shetty. My favorite actress is Madhuri Dixit. My favorite male singer is Kishore Kumar. My favorite female singer is Lata Mangeshkar. My favorite song is Sundari Sundari.
Very clap. Ashwina Ankita Manohar Khotre. She told 40 sentences about herself within 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Clap for Ankita.